Welcome back to our channel, where your well-being is our top priority. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for all of us. Breathe easy, stress less with 5 must-know yoga poses. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to talk about the yoga poses that can help you transform your stress. Let's start with a simple yet powerful breathing exercise, diaphragmatic breathing. Next up is the Cat-Camel pose, a dynamic duo that'll get your spine moving. Sit back on your heels, or as close as you can, and fold forward, bringing your forehead to the ground. Relax your arms by your side or stretch them forward. Breathe deeply and let any tension melt away. The child's pose is a comforting and relaxing pose that can soothe anxiety and tension. It also helps in releasing stress hormones. It's a gentle stretch for the hips, thighs, and ankles, and is often used to relieve stress and anxiety. Take long, slow breaths, allowing your body to relax and release tension. Close your eyes and relax every muscle in your body. Let your breath flow naturally. Stay in this pose for as long as you comfortably can, allowing your body and mind to completely relax. Remember, incorporating these poses into your daily routine can lead to not just physical relaxation, but also emotional balance. And hey, we've got more videos coming your way, so stay tuned, keep breathing, and stay well. Yoga serves as an excellent outlet for a digital detox, promoting mental and physical well-being by reducing screen time and fostering mindfulness. It encourages a shift from constant digital engagement to a focus on the present moment. The corpse pose, also known as Savasana, is the ultimate relaxation pose. It promotes a deep sense of calm and is excellent for relieving stress and anxiety. Remain in this position for a designated time, typically 5-10 minutes or longer if desired. Although it looks easy, this pose has been called the most difficult of the asanas. Many yoga students who can happily balance, bend, and twist through the rest of class struggle with just lying on the floor. This pose can help reduce swelling in your lower body, relieve stress, and promote better circulation. Exhale and round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. Ensure your head and neck are in a comfortable, neutral position, possibly with a slight tuck of the chin to lengthen the back of the neck. Lift your head and place it on a block or a rolled-up towel, allowing your shoulders to roll back. Take your arms and place them alongside your body, palms facing upwards. Breathe deeply and relax into the pose. This pose is fantastic for stress relief, promoting a sense of openness and calmness. It also helps in stretching the chest and relieving tension in the upper body. Repeat this flow several times, synchronizing with your breath. The Cat-Camel pose is fantastic for stress relief as it massages your internal organs, promoting flexibility and reducing tension. Find a comfortable position, ideally lying down. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. As you inhale deeply, feel your stomach expanding outward. The hand on your abdomen should rise while the one on your chest remains relatively still. Exhale slowly and feel your diaphragm relaxing and pulling inward. Repeat this several times, focusing on the rhythm of your breath. This exercise helps activate your diaphragm, which is key in stress reduction. It promotes relaxation and can even aid in better sleep. So if you're ready to unlock a calmer, more balanced you, stick around. As we navigate through these poses, remember to listen to your body, breathe deeply, and let go of any tension. Now let's move on to the Cobra pose. Lie down with your legs extended and palms beside your chest. Press into your palms and lift your chest off the ground, engaging your abdominal muscles. Keep your shoulders relaxed and try to maintain a straight line from your tailbone to the tip of your nose. Hold this pose for a few breaths, then release. The Cobra pose not only helps in stress reduction, but also strengthens your spine and improves posture. But first, let's review. Number 1, diaphragmatic breathing. Number 2, Cat-Camel pose. 3, Cobra pose. Number 4, child's pose. Kneel down and bring your big toes together. Finally, the corpse pose. We have the corpse pose, the one that looks the easiest but isn't. And there you have it, 5 yoga poses that can turn your stress into serenity. You can use yoga as a tool to help you relax. It's also a great way to connect with other people to expand your social network.